going on, guys? Welcome back to today's vlog. So today's vlog we got going on here, well, there's a lot of stuff going on here, but I want to talk to you guys about the Duramax. Why did I choose it? You guys asked me, Eddie, why would you choose this thing? Yes, and it's outside. I'll explain to you again what's going on. Why is there so much commotion going on over here? But first, you guys keep asking me on this thing, why did I pick this? Why would you go GM? There's Ford, there's, you know, Dodge, other trucks. Well, there's a lot of reasons why I chose this, not this specific, but GM in general. So mainly why I went with GM, well, you guys know, number one, I love the Allison transmission. You know, it's, and I know there's gonna be, you know, you guys out there saying it's, you know, not that great of a tranny, it's okay, and other people are gonna say it's amazing. You're gonna have, you know, pros and cons, you know, with everybody. You know, one being the look of it. I love the look of this GMC. The other being interior. You know, I like the digital display. Now, a lot of you guys say, why don't you go Ford? Why don't you go Dodge? Well, Dodge, you guys know I love Dodge. I love that Cummins. I love the motor. But I don't trust their transmissions. That 68 RFE is horrible. Now, I know you guys are going to say, you can build one, you know, build a 3500 single wheel Ison. Okay, you can't do that. I've called Dodge, I would say like probably 3 weeks ago. And if you want to get a Dodge 3500, or if you just want to get a Dodge in general with the Ison transmission, you have to go dually. They will not custom make you one. Now, maybe some of your guys' other dealerships can do that, but where I live, you know, in San Diego, they will not allow us to do that. No Dodge dealership will do that, because if I can get a Dodge with a 3500 with an Ison, I'd probably pull the trigger on one. Ford. No, I don't hate Ford, I just will never buy a Ford. Well, number one, I've just been in the diesel world for so long. I have so many friends that have Fords and Dodges and GMs, and I've seen so many Fords break down. I'm not saying they're bad, but I've seen so many issues with Fords, so many motor problems, you know. I don't like their aluminum body, by the way. You know, that whole aluminum body, they say it's aluminum, it's supposed to be lighter. I think somebody, I forgot which video I watched, but it was actually 200 pounds heavier than my truck. And, you know, mine's not aluminum, so not sure what's going on there. But look-wise, the Ford looks beautiful. You know, I love the look of the Ford. I towed with it. You know, I've towed with Fords before. I mean, towing-wise, you know, between me, Martin, like, say, the Alcalators truck and mine, there wasn't much of a difference. Mine pulled a lot better, obviously, because I've been re-geared. But when me and Martin also, we did a little race, and it was pretty close until mine shifted, and then I pulled away from him. So, but again, I'm not buying these things to race. I'm not a Ford guy. I don't like how their stuff is made. I've worked on a lot of Fords in the past, and there's just I don't know. Ford is just not my thing. If I'm getting rid of GM, I'm going Dodge. The Dodge, I hate the dang mirrors, man. Those mirrors just kill me. They're hideous looking. But as of right now, you guys asking me, am I going to get the new 2020? I don't know yet. You know, the deletes, you know, they're getting harder to get. Exhausts are getting harder to get. Everything's getting so hard to get now. So I don't know if I want to, you know, get a new one, just because when you drive a deleted truck, you're not ever going to want to go back to a stock truck. I mean, driving this thing and then getting a stock one, you're just like, oh man. And this thing, you know, I mean, you guys know I take care of it. I think I just hit like 36,000 miles on her. So she's a 2015. So she doesn't have that many miles on her. She's still in pretty damn good condition. Nothing's really wrong with her. Never had any problems. Had to pull her outside though today. They're using the garage. Oh, what? Oh, okay, I thought that was a. Get out of there! What are you doing on my mirror? But had to pull her out of the garage today. We had to pull everything out of the garage today. So as you guys know, I got the air conditioning going in the garage, but also we got solar coming up. Yep, we want solar panel. We're doing a one inverter in here and two inverters in the other garage. And these panels, I must say, guys, these panels are massive over here. They are, I believe, they're almost as tall as me. I want to say it's like almost 5'8". It's got to be. I mean, look at this. Grab this panel here. I mean, I don't know. Same height. It's a lot wider than me, that's for sure. Panels going up over there. We got panels going up on this side of the house, and we also got panels going up on this side of the house right here. How many? I'm not sure how many they're putting up. They're putting up quite a few though. The big garage is the main one. That's gonna have all of the panels on it right now, because that's the longest part here. We cannot put any more. We're pretty much maxed out and covered on this part of the roof. And yes, I know you guys see all the cars out right here. They made me take them out of the garage. This is probably gonna be the longest they're gonna be sitting in the sun for. And if you're wondering what kind, they are Tesla panels that are going up. And they give you this fancy box here. That it's, I guess this is the for Wi-Fi. He hasn't given me all the details on this thing yet, but I guess you hook this up to your internet. And hey, what is this thing for exactly? This box. What is this box? What does it do exactly?
You need to connect this to the. It's like an antenna. You can.
Okay.
Check, you can check the production and everything about the system.
Okay.
And your app.
Oh, so what? Like how much power it's making? Okay.
Everything.
Okay, so that's what this thing is for, guys. It's I guess you're gonna hook it up, and it's going to tell you how much I guess energy you're saving or power is producing from the panel. This is the antenna for the panel, so it looks like it's got a power and your Cat 5 cable right there. And I guess you just hook it up and gives you the whole info on it. Does it tell you like how much you're using and how much you've saved and all that stuff? Okay, so
if something is wrong, it's the same.
It's same thing. Okay, so this looks like, guys, this is like also can diagnose the panels and let you know if there's anything wrong or anything going on with your solar panel. So that's good to have, because if there is something wrong, well, you're probably gonna have no idea, and you're gonna have solar panels that are out there and not even making power. So that's really gonna suck. I have a lot of you guys asking for the Eddie's Life stickers. I'm very surprised. I was not expecting that many of you guys to want them. So it's much appreciated that you guys are wanting that many. But as of right now, I am sold out of all of them. I have a lot more being made right now for you guys. I just, like I said, was not aware that many people wanted Eddie's Life stickers. But also the link, stay tuned, guys. I got someone working on this website. Hopefully it's done shortly, and hopefully my logo is done shortly. And you guys ask about the boat. Also, the boat we're going to take out soon, so stay tuned. There's a lot of stuff going on. We just have a lot of stuff going on around the house, some construction, the solars, the panels. We got dirt coming in, plants coming in. It's just a lot of commotion going on right now at the house, trying to get this thing done before summer. And look what finally came out of the garage, guys. Yeah, I had to move this, well, because that's where the other panel or the other inverter is going. So this thing actually gave her a little run, a little spin, and I gotta say, wow, I miss her. There's nowhere here to ride these things. If you guys know of anywhere to ride a dirt bike around here in San Diego, let me know. Any of my subscribers, let me know. Also have a big announcement. So next weekend, if there's any of my subscribers that live in Hawaii, damn, what part of Hawaii am I gonna be in? I think Honolulu, or Waikiki, I'm not sure. Just in general, if there's any of my subscribers that live in Hawaii, please let me know so I can get some content out for you guys. If there's any trucks out there, I don't know. I don't know really much about Hawaii, but I'm going to be gone for a week to Hawaii, and I want to keep the content for you guys and keep it coming. But I'm not really sure, what kind of content I'm going to get out there. So if there's any subscribers, guys, let me know. DM me. I'll put my Instagram right here at Duramax King 2500. Let me know if you're out there. Maybe we'll set up a date. We can, review the truck, look it over. Can't really do any tow tests, but we can talk about the truck and get you in the vlog. But now let's get back to why I chose this thing. Mainly, again, I love that Allison transmission, the LML motor. If you guys know, they came out with that motor in 2011. It's been a good motor. It's been bulletproof. I don't know, me personally, anybody that's had any issues with it. I've talked to a lot of people. They love this motor. Also, another thing, I love the IFS suspension on GM. As you guys know, the Dodge and the Fords are the straight axles. The GM is independent front suspension. Now, yeah, you guys, off-road guys, are gonna say, no, straight axle's way better for off-roading. You guys out there that know me know I don't off-road my stuff, so off-roading is not really, I'm not really concerned about that for my truck. And the independent front suspension is so much smoother than the straight axle truck, in my opinion. I've driven, the Fords and the Dodges, and they're not as smooth as the GM. Also, look, when they came out with this look, I fell in love with the look, and I fell in love with the new style mirrors. I am so glad GM got rid of their, I don't know if you guys remember, their plastic mirrors. I can't stand their plastic mirrors. And again, you guys hear me talk about this all the time. Why I love them. I am in love with these dang lights right here. So these lights, I don't know how many times I have to tell you guys, these things have saved my ass so many times. Just in general, when backing up the boat, backing up the toy haul, when you turn these on, and these two little lights, they will literally shine the whole side of my trailer. My trailer is 34 feet long, and then we'll go all the way back and shine throughout the truck and the back and just light this whole area up. And it makes it so convenient for me so I can see where I'm backing up. So I don't smash into anything. And also, stay tuned, guys. We got stuff going on here. We're going to, I think the other garage is going to go here. Not sure if we're going to put the other garage, though, this way, long ways, or if we're gonna do it that way. So the problem if we do it, you know, this way, like the garage is here, it's kind of tight to get anything in here. I'll show you guys. So you guys know the entrance to get in, you know, you don't have much of a gap to bring something and then turn it all the way in there. What I'm probably going to do is put the other garage over here and put the boat on that side, because with the tractor, I put the boat in and out with this tractor. It makes it a lot easier because that thing you can maneuver it. Then doing it with the truck is kind of a pain in the butt. Ooh, look at that. It looks fancy. And kind of, sort of. I mean, it looks pretty cool. I'm not sure. All right, we got some check engine lights over here. Got a fault, got an alarm warning, so we'll know if anything goes on. I guess here's the inside. Oh, I'm guessing there's the antenna for it right over there. These are the other two inverters right here, guys, that are going to go on this side of the wall. Instead of putting them outside, originally we were going to put them outside, but I said, yeah, let's put them inside just from, you know, moisture. I figure the panels will last a lot longer if they're not outside in the heat and in the moisture. I mean, so that's the main reason why I picked the GM, guys, is for that Allison transmission, because the worst thing you can do is have tranny problems or motor problems or anything. But the truck has been running good, and you asked me, guys, how long has it been deleted for? That truck, I believe when I purchased it from the dealership, came from the dealership to my house and deleted it. So it's been deleted, I believe, at 36 miles when I deleted that truck. So when I brought it home, I did the lift pump, the delete, the edge system, and the downpipe at 36 miles. So far so good, runs great, runs smooth, everything stays clean, oil's clean, hauls butt, tows anything I want perfect. I mean, I love it, guys. She's my baby. So there you have it, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.